Hi everybody, welcome back to the Naio Nails channel. Today we're going to be doing an Autumnween Ghost and Tortoiseshell set. So starting off with Autumn Days. Curing that for 60 seconds before giving it a wipe down with some gel residue and a lint-free wipe. Now we're going to go in with some of our really cute Halloween stickers. These are 40% off at the moment. That automatically applies in checkout. And I'm going in with our tweezers, applying the stickers and giving them a nice little pat down to make sure there's no air bubbles underneath. And now we're going in with a really cute little ghost sticker. Finishing this nail off with some top coat. This is a really simple, easy set, so perfect if you're a beginner, and the stickers speed up a lot of time. For our second nail, we're going to go in with another coat of Autumn Days. This is one of our highly pigmented gel polishers, so usually you only need one coat. With the 40% off, now is your perfect time to grab any stickers that you need. Now for this next nail, I'm just going to put down a layer of Primrose. I'm going to pop this in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds before going in with our second coat of Primrose. Now I'm taking Snow White and a dotting tool, and we're going to create our little ghost's head. Now I'm going in with a long liner brush and just creating his body. Just pulling that white gel polish down from his head, going a little bit thinner where his neck would be, and then pulling it right out at the bottom. Once you're happy with the shape of your ghost, fill him in. After this is cured in the lamp for 60 seconds, I'm going to go in with a teeny tiny little liner brush and Serious Black, and we're going to outline our little ghost. Once you're happy with the outline of him, we're going to go in and create some little ruffles to make it look like he's flying. Creating some curved lines coming from the black outline just gives him a little bit of extra detail. Now I've taken the colour Autumn Days and I'm going to create some little maple leaves. With these, you want to let your brush do most of the work. Just load your brush up with the colour you want and gently dab it down, and it'll give you that perfect maple leaf effect. Now I'm taking Serious Black and a dotting tool and giving our little ghost friend some eyes so he can see. And finishing him off with some top coat. For our next nail, we're starting off with a Primrose base and going in with Starfruit. This is one of our jelly polishes. Now I'm taking our blooming gel and applying a really thin coat of that. You're going to leave this blooming gel uncured and go in with your next colour, which is Chestnut Wood, and dab and stipple this into random spots all over the nail. Curing the lamp for 60 seconds before going in with the second layer of blooming gel. Again, keeping it nice and thin for the best results. I'm going in with Serious Black and just stippling this over the same spots that I stippled Chestnut Wood. Keeping it slightly smaller so we can see Chestnut Wood peeking through. This is what's going to give us our main tortoiseshell effect. The final part of our tortoise print is going to be a mix of Valencia Orange and Chestnut Wood. Popping both of these colours on one of our mixing palettes. And brushing this over the whole tortoiseshell design. Top coating that whole nail and curing for 60 seconds. I'm now going in with a layer of Autumn Days. Giving it a little wipe down with a lint-free wipe and some gel residue remover. Taking our cute little Halloween stickers, giving that a pat down to make sure it's stuck on with no air bubbles, and the same again with our little ghost. This is the results of the nails. Thank you for watching, we hope you enjoyed and let us know what you think down in the comments below. Bye!